Because them are French. We don't want them then neither. You see? We don't want none of them then neither. So if you don't want to come jump and say, me are telling you the truth. I say, we as black people, we too fool. We are too fool. Me look at me show you something. I know say black people damn fool. Or you know say we are idiot. You have one car a foreign where I run foreign you know. And I run TikTok as the hottest car. Pan TikTok and the hottest car in a foreign in America right now. Where Bumbo clout the white boy in him again, man. We want to live a space. Bumbo Ross clout, man. Where carrying him? Fucking car will favor cockroach, man. One van, man. Bumbo clout, man. See somebody say Elon Musk. Elon Musk. Him. The dog bill one van will favor one cockroach. I swear to God. Father God, if I lie me, I tell you, lick me down, kill me or so. Tesla car one, man. Van one he make, man. Cyber truck, my general. The dog make one van. Favor cockroach, you fuck. I swear to God, the thing. I lie me, I tell. Few people, let me look for one of them. Where's the name? Cyber truck. Let me look for one and show them. Few people, let me know. Hold on there. Watch out, blood clot iPhone people. Find picture of Cyber Truck. Watch out. Me just chat to my phone and this, you know. I feel like iPhone alone can do that. Move on a bum buckle out and move from there. See it there? Tell me say this no favor cockroach. Hold on there. Let me show you. If you don't think I lie, I tell you. Find picture of cockroach. Now I'm blood clot cyber truck this. Target truth if you think I lie, I tell. Target truth, no, man. Target truth. One big ugly fuckery. For millions of dollars. How much feet? How much feet? People over here so we know things. Remember, we not used to nothing, you know, so we don't know nothing, you know. How much feet cyber truck? I don't say I'm more 100,000 US feet, you know. I'm more 100,000 US feet. 100,000 US hour. 100,000 US how much? I'm going to conversion chart again. Me certain, me almost 100% sure. I don't want to tell a lie for myself, you know. I don't want to tell a lie for myself, but me almost 175,000 US feet. Bumbo I lie when I tell. Nothing can go so. 175,000 US. Sin can go so for you. Sin can go so for you. Bumbo clat has so much money for them shot then sitting there. What? Yeah. Me I Google it, cause like that none can go so. How much for a cyber truck brand new? See a lie on a bumbo clat, see you sitting here, man. 101,000 people, 102,000 US people, let me say. It said start at $81,895 and it goes up to $101,985. Do you understand? But still, a 20 million Jamaican dollar that. Member, oi. Member say, when you bring that come to Jamaica, you have to buy it again, you know. You have to pay back the duty back of it again, you know. So when you may say no, man, yard, when you pay 100,000 US for that, you know, daddy, if it reach a Jamaica, you have to pay duty them, you know, import tax and all them things upon it, you know, brother. So when you work it out, you might pay 160,000 feet, you know, hombre. Cyber truck. Where everybody are killed. And the ugliest bumbo clock thing in the world, brother. Oh, somebody said that a MSR people. Oh yes, I forget to say, una phone car dealership and foreign thief, true. Because when you see it on the internet price, when you guy dealership add on for them sales tax and different state, so it vary from state to state. Hold on. How if you do me that? People them a try block my life. Hey, stop it, don't do that. Them say my life inactive. People may be gonna tap the screen for me, please. Them just send one signal, say them gonna lock off my life because it's inactive. Tap up the screen for me now, people. Tap up the screen for me, please, because they say nobody know they on it. Them a pussy. Zane? But me I gotta tell you now, straight up. Elon Musk, that brother there, we want to go live a space. Him not like black people. Him don't even like people none at all.
Yeah.
When you hear the man talk, remember say the man buy Twitter, you know. Twitter, you see Twitter? Him buy Twitter, you know. Him buy Twitter, you know. The man buy Twitter. Zane, you know why the man buy Twitter? Because he might tweet some things that fight and then block him. And the man just say, pussy, alright, me I buy this blood. And the man buy it. So you can go back on it. How the man buy it? Because Twitter used to have only things where you can't say certain things on it and you can't put certain things on it. The man go up on Twitter now and turn Twitter in a blues, brother. You can type anything on Twitter you want. The whole race system with them, they take with them account. Donald Trump and all them people, them take with them account. The man give back the whole of them account, brother. And allow the man them. So you can say anything you want over there now, brother. So that is money. That is wealthy. When a man sits and say, you go suck your mother and come out of my house, and the man say, alright, buy your blood clot house, come out of your house. Yeah. When the man sits and buy your house and say, come out, they run out the man out of your house, and the man come buy your house in the dog. That is rich, you know, bro. But that man will not kill up on himself. That man will not kill up on himself. If you spend on money, if you buy things with that youth here, spending the money with that youth here. A man no like you, bro. A man no like you, and the whole of be a black people like say the whole of cyber truck them I see from blow internet. A black people me see I buy them. Be a black people. I see no white people. I see like someone and two, but the magic the whole of them I see them a rims out and put on the wrap them pan and on a kill up on yourself and buy them. All of them something here. Buy the beer things where them not like you. Them not like you on a fool so.
What's the price? I know why I started.
Dog, I'm telling you this here, brother. Back to the topic at hand. Short man crosses. I'm telling you straight. Short man crosses. What if them mag and short, them are crosses. Ladies, stay far from short man. Them are crosses. You understand me I say? That's the point me I tell you. The short man them have one sitting there and call. Back to me Samsung. What is short man syndrome? Alright, let me read it fully up. Short man syndrome, otherwise known as Napoleon complex. The Napoleon complex, also known as Napoleon syndrome and short man syndrome, is a purported condition normally attributed to people of short stature with overly aggressive or demeaning social behavior. It implies that such behavior is to compensate for the subject's physical or social shortcomings. I rest my case. I rest my case. Let me tell you something. Yes, when you're short as a girl and miserable, we agree with that and we're alright with that. When you're short as a girl, we alright with that. Because I like short woman. Short woman, I like my woman them spicy and full of attitude. You understand me I say? I like my woman them way not really have no manners. I don't have a problem. I like when a girl cuss me. It do something for me. I don't know. When mom's vex, 90% of the time when them vex, I'm hungry still. I can't tell you that straight. Hungry. But when mom's vex, give me a little. You know what I mean? I say, I feel good. I don't go around. You understand? Short and cute. Can't short and ugly. Because if you're short and ugly, you're a troll. Under bridge if you go live. You understand? But Short and cute. He work with you. You understand? We like that. For a woman. But as a man.
No man,
as a man.
I wait for you.
Nah go work. Nah go work.
Other people.
Una short man, una very aggressive. And una always want to fight everybody. Una always want to fight everybody. Always want to fight. Always ready for cuss. Always ready for war. Always ready for tell somebody to go suck out their mother. Why? 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 Why you so angry? I'm not telling you lie. Sometimes they make a shot, me just want to take them up and put them on your shoulder and burp them. You know like when you feed baby and them a gripe? And they want a belch? I saw a short man then come. So I saw a short man then like they no burp. Like them put them for lie down and no burp. So a little gas.
Hey, the swing man there.
A little gas the right here so and it upset their stomach.
The swing man there, y'all.
So that's how it up and dust. Pat them back until them belch. When them belch then settle. But I tell you like that. Yeah, that's how you say. Short man, he's a vex man. Everything offend them. Every single thing offend them. Everything bother. Everything is a problem. Me don't know. Everything is a problem. Everything is a problem. And they hype.
Tomorrow, what time?
They hype. Bumbleclot. The hypest thing. Show off. Show off, me I tell you, man. Jesus Christ, man. So show off. Can't run a joke. Them want to run joke with you, know. Them quick for one, this year and tell everything, but run one little joke with them. Bumbo clot, it come like the world had done. It come like the world had got done. Run one little joke with them. Jesus Christ. Worst thing you can do to a short man, I call it. Say, yo, short man. Oi. Worst thing you can do, I say, yo, short boss. Yeah. Yo, the worst thing you can ever do, yo, little man. Yeah. Yeah. The worst thing you can do, make anything with any form of reference for their height. And a problem. But I tell you lie. If you fuck up about it, oh you're so bad. And if somebody take away your things and put it on the top shelf, you can't reach it. Oh you're so bad. Eh? Oh you're so bad. Target truth. Oh you're so bad. And if you reach on the bed, you have to climb. Talk to me, man. Oh, you're so bad. Oh, you're so bad. Talk to me, man. Oh, you're so bad. Oh, you're so bad. And when you sit down in there, sit your foot not touch the ground. Oh! Hey! Bumbleclot! Hey! Talk to me, man. Oh, you're so bad. And when normal people cut 10, you only can cut 5. You get it? Oh, you don't get it? Through their shot, they were half a size I told somebody. So when they cut for them 10, they only cut 5. Yo, we are cool for this, you know. Yo. Oh, God. I'm tired. Too much fat. Too much fat, man. Carry it, Harris. Hush, man, the book. Chug it talk too late, man. I'm a friend them, you know. I'm a G them, you know. I'm a G them, man. Chuck it, I'm a friend them, man. People, emancipation day one. Want to keep a day. I apologize to the people, them, so I never did it. You understand? But the man them link me late for the date. I did already book for Dream Weekend. You understand? And no disrespect to the man them. Chuck it, I come back October. You understand? I think they might do 2 days. They might do one in Negril and one in Kingston. Make a hope. Let us hope that they book me back for a Chuck it. Let us hope. Because I've missed like the last 3 or 4. Because I forgot the one in New York. I never get forgot that one. I forgot the one in something. I never get forgot that one. I forgot the one in Canada tomorrow. And then move the date. I never get forgot that one day. So, I could see if them are going to book you back. I don't know. I don't know. Because, you know, sometimes when promoters are a little bit fickle at time, we don't know when you don't get them date, they might feel like some personal animus. But I don't say go, I'm an independent contractor. I say go sometime you have to just go work with who book you first. And me and one of them person. If you book me, once you book me first, I your event me I take. I'm not the type of person who I go set boom. One thing. Tonight supposed to be one dancer, Linstead. When the man that they try book me first, or them they link me first. But my management team I try to sort out a contract with a corporate company, and tonight I want one of the first event them way in that contract there. You understand me? I say I couldn't miss it because tonight I one of the first one them. So I apologize to the people in Linstead tonight. Me not gonna make it, and this is not a regular occurrence. So people in Linstead will look out for see me tonight. My most humble apologies. I'm not gonna be able to be there because of contractual obligations that I have. It's not nothing personal against the promoter. The promoter was doing his best to try to facilitate, but I could have just went to Linstead early and then left from Linstead and go to Mandeville. But me not believe that them something. You understand? I believe that them something. I believe when people spend their money to come see, you're supposed to give them a full show. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that to the patrons. I'm not going to do that to the promoter either. Because and I like to become I come the little bit of time, I go take no less money. When I play them game. So I rather give you full bookings and them things. I owe the promoter bookings to the people them out there. A long time Linstead people not see me neither. Because I did for their poll of days and then I did already book for your event already and I never get for so Linstead people know say I'm a place, I'm a town. And this is my born and grow. So I don't want to feel like say I big me get too big or me too hype now for come back to Linstead. Come here, like a rumor they are spread around say about oh Linstead promoter them and say when them book me not come or me not take no bookings from them and Ray. It is a lie. It is a lie. Enough of them are call me for bookings, yes. But once me tell them the price, they do not call back. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. You understand me I say? You see? It is not my fault. So please do not blame me. I with Samsung this. S24 Ultra, I think. S24 Ultra. Samsung, not iPhone. Yeah. So, people in my Linstead, I love you know. I'm a born ground, Banbury, Victoria, Jericho District, Orangefield, I'm a place. You understand me I say? Zine. So nothing personal against them. So that's my apologies for tonight. But tonight, we are going to Mandeville, down a Diamond Finger Party, Color Splash. Dexter Daps in concert tonight. Dexter Dapadan tonight in concert down a Mandeville. So I don't get so with it tonight. You understand me I say? So people know the things. Just make sure so no come out from early. You understand? Because I'm gonna be down there early. You understand? I remember say, you don't have to dress up in a nice, wonderful because remember say paint and foam and water and alley powder and beer something. You understand me? I say, so just be nice. People tap up the screen for me now, please, before they make the people block me off. See? Anyways, as me I say, man them out there, I'm gonna take my foolish advice. If you want a woman, look her. You understand? Look her. Tell her the nice things them, man. You understand? You don't need to tear down the next man. You understand? You don't need to tear down the next man. You don't need to make a man look bad. You understand? Big up to me general them. You know say a joke me make about the short people thing, right? Short man them. I don't want nobody come record this and come say, oh, Tripple X burn out and they hear big dirty stinking fat sour Tripple X I call short man. You understand? But I take it personal, man. I just run around some joke. You understand? You understand? You see? And please do remember people. Tickets go on sale for Vibes Cartel show this Wednesday. If you know what me know, if you know what me know, buy the early bird ticket them. If you don't know what me know, just take my foolish advice. If you know what me know, buy the all if you not go, buy 5 early bird ticket. You're not gonna lose. Because when it comes down to December, that $20,000 ticket can sell back for $80,000. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? If you know what me know. See? If you know what me know. I don't know the price as yet. I'm just saying hypothetically. See, early bird tickets are gonna come out on Wednesday. You understand? So when the early bird ticket drop, make sure you have a piece of food put on by 5 or by 10. You understand me I say? And just put them down. Come December, that same, if the ticket are for 20 grand, that same 20 grand ticket is going to be about 80,000 or 100,000. Because I can guarantee you those tickets are gonna, how much? What? No, that no, ticket price not put out yet, bro. Ticket price not put out yet. But when the early bird ticket them drop, me I tell you, no bag say me host at all. Cause ever be on YouTube. No man. YouTube now stream live, my friend. Me I tell you this, the man them no YouTube now stream. First of all, no phone can't work. You see over there, so them type of show there, signal drama in full effect. So anybody who feel like them can go there, go live, God go with them. Because I know if you fuck, Joe them now play them game there. The amount of money where Joe them pay, cartel, $4 million US, them have to make back every dollar. So you know say you have to go pay for the live stream. So the live stream is either you go pay for the live stream by your device and then stream go live after your live stream. At the angle way that. So anybody where in the stadium, Elon Musk Starlink, bro God. Seeing? Hopefully a national stadium. If them get the venue, a national stadium. If them don't get the venue, try no say a Montego Bay. If them don't get national stadium, a Montego Bay people. So let us hope and pray. Let us hope and pray that is national stadium. You understand? Because if a Mobile, who the fuck can afford Airbnb price in a December? New Year's Eve. Who the fuck can afford Airbnb price them time there?
Book it from now.
You can't book it from now. Nobody now ever booking for December 31st blackout right now. I can get, if me have an Airbnb right now, I blackout them booking there. Right now. For the whole of the week there, you see for the whole of the week between, let me go on the calendar. Let's look on the calendar. If me own blood clot, if me have an Airbnb right now, you see from the 27th to the 2nd, that whole week there, my blackout. Right now. Until me hear we part cartel show keep. Because anyway cartel show keep in Jamaica, you can double your price. So if you normally charge $120 a night, $150 a night, you see for that week there, I'm now rent less than 5 nights. 3 bills a night me I rent my thing, or $350 a night me I rent my thing. For no matter what I could have Bumbuckler, Jonestown, me have a Airbnb. If a Kingston, that show they keep everybody supposed to be there. Legacy Thursday. Last night me hear about that event, I don't even know what party there. Me see the dog them come do money pull up last night up a chinchilla party. Legacy Thursday. I don't know where it is. A party there. I don't know a party there. If I turn it, we don't know. First choice is National Stadium. If it's not National Stadium, it's either Trelawney or Montego Bay. More than likely it's going to be Montego Bay because the parking issue where them have them have better parking in Montego Bay than Trelawney. Barrett Salute, the 31st. You understand? Up on the hills, you understand? No, AC Hotel already booked out. Big up Hyacinth. Hyacinth messaged me last night and said, Triple, you know anybody with any Airbnbs? Because we're trying to get somewhere to stay. And AC is full, Marriott is full, Pegasus is full, everywhere full. Already, you understand me I say? We was freed on the 31st. And now his show is on the 31st. No man, what? Enough parking at the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium for that man. Zane? Richmond Estate. You know, so Richmond Estate is a good idea still. But I don't feel like them are going to go there, so. I don't feel like them are going to go there, so. Because, alright, you say Richmond Estate, it's going to take too much to set it for the tier system. You understand? Richmond Estate I got to do one big concert, and you don't feel like you can make your money off a big concert like that, because them are going to sell box and them things. So them want that like pre-set up there. The stadium set up there, because the stadium set up you can charge more for the seat, you know that, right? If a concert, everybody there on a flat mostly. So you have to go build cabana and all them something there to actually get an array. So it will cost more, and plus the schematics work out for that, it kind of harder to deal with. You understand me? I say, even though them have to do it in a catching all, but catching all set up, it's set up more for a concert than Richmond. Richmond Estate does for like a festival. Like a festival space. It's not really set for concert. You understand? You see? So 58 Mountain View. How part that? Which one I come in? 58 Mountain View. Which part that? You see? National Stadium. Alright, National Stadium are the best concert venue we have at Jamaica. And that is fuck up to government if you build one next stadium, one next decent stadium. What them build on at Chilani, White Elephant, Mantiga Bay, But we need a next venue like that. You understand? Chilani can hold the people them, man. But Sky Crew cook out. Over here on advertisement. Jamworld can't use. Jamworld